Google just dropped something that's making seasoned designers panic. It's called Nano Banana. And no, that's not a joke. This AI tool can edit your photos with surgical precision while keeping your face, your pet, or your products looking exactly like themselves across hundreds of different images. Here's what blew my mind. I uploaded a simple selfie, asked it to put me in a business suit in a corporate boardroom, then a Hawaiian shirt on a beach, then medieval armor in a castle. Same face, same person. Perfect consistency every single time. Most AI image generators fail miserably at this. They'll give you 3 different faces if you ask for 3 different scenes. Nano Banana solved the holy grail problem of AI image generation. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to turn this breakthrough into cold hard cash. We're talking about 5 specific business models, real pricing strategies, actual prompts you can copy and paste, and a step-by-step launch checklist to start earning within 24 hours. But first, let me show you why this changes everything. Welcome to Invisible Income, where we turn simple, repeatable systems into real online revenue. No hype, just clear steps and proof. Let me paint you a picture of what we've been dealing with. You're a YouTuber. You need consistent thumbnails. Same face, different backgrounds. You try Midjourney. First thumbnail looks great. Second one? Your face looks like a completely different person. Third one? You've somehow grown a third eye. This isn't just a YouTuber problem. E-commerce sellers need the same product in different settings. Artists want the same character in multiple scenes. Small business owners need professional headshots in various contexts without hiring a photographer every time. The consistency problem has been the Achilles heel of AI image generation. Until now. Nano Banana doesn't just generate images, it maintains identity. The technical term is character consistency. And Google cracked the code. They built this on top of their Gemini 2.5 Flash model. It understands not just what you're asking for, but who you're asking about. Here's the kicker, it's conversational. You don't start from scratch every time. You say, make the shirt blue, then add sunglasses, then change the background to a coffee shop. Each edit builds on the last one. Your face stays exactly the same. Speed? We're talking seconds, not minutes. Quality? Professional grade. And cost? Currently free through Google's Gemini interface. Now let me show you how people are already making money with this. Strategy number 1. Quick service gigs on Fiverr and Upwork. Here's your offer. Professional photo retouching plus background change plus outfit swap. 24-hour delivery. Package it as bundles. 5 to 10 photos per client. 2 quick revisions included. Start charging 25 to 60 euros per package. Here's why this works. Speed plus consistency equals premium pricing. While other freelancers spend hours in Photoshop, you're delivering in minutes. Save your winning prompts. Create templates. Scale fast. Strategy 2. YouTube thumbnail creation. Every creator needs thumbnails. Most struggle with consistency. You solve this. Take their photo once, generate dozens of variations. Same face, different expressions, different backgrounds, bold text overlays. Your base prompt. Create 16 by 9 thumbnail with consistent face on left. Vibrant background, strong expression, large readable text. Swap the title for each video. Test 3 versions per video. Keep the winner. Strategy 3. Etsy and print-on-demand goldmine. Personalized pet portraits in fantasy styles. Customers send pet photos. You transform them into astronauts, pirates, superheroes. The consistency feature means the pet actually looks like their pet, not some generic animal. Offer 3 to 5 style variations per order. Increase your average order value. Add print and shipping services for extra revenue. Strategy 4. E-commerce catalog creation. Small businesses need product photos in multiple settings. Take one base photo. Generate variations. red version, blue version, green version. Studio setting, lifestyle setting, outdoor setting. No new photo shoots needed. Strategy 5. Educational content packages. Create infographic elements, diagrams, icons. Bundle 20 to 30 assets. Sell on Gumroad or similar platforms. License for commercial use. This scales because you create once, sell repeatedly. Let me walk you through the actual process. Head to gemini.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Click on the Images section. You'll see options to generate new or edit existing photos. Start with editing. Upload a clean, well-lit selfie. Simple prompt. Improve soft lighting and slightly blur background. Keep face and skin natural. Result appears in seconds. Like what you see? Next prompt. Change shirt to navy blue. Keep face exactly the same. The magic word is exactly. Always specify what to preserve. Keep eyes expression and face proportions identical. Maintain the same facial features. Preserve pet's actual markings and eye color. For combining images, upload 2 photos. Your prompt. Combine these photos and place us on a basketball court with realistic integration, indoor lighting, coherent shadows. The word integration prevents that cut and paste look. Style consistency hack. Create 3 preset styles. Name them Clean Portrait, Product Studio, Lifestyle Natural. Use reference images to establish your brand look. Then apply this style template to every client project. Export your finals. Remember, all images include invisible Synth ID watermarking. This is actually good for transparency. Tell clients upfront that content is AI assisted. Check platform policies before posting. Here's what separates pros from amateurs. Save your winning prompts. Document what works. Create step-by-step workflows for common requests. Speed comes from systems, not just tools. Watch out for hands, eyes, and text elements. These still need human review. Be specific in your next prompt if something's off. Adjust hands to show 5 proportional fingers. Keep logo sharp without distortions. Let me give you the exact prompts that work. I'm dropping all these working prompts in the description, but only for a limited time. So scroll down and grab them now while they're still available. Now let's talk money. Fiverr gigs start at €25 for basic packages. Premium packages with rush delivery can hit €100. Upwork clients pay project rates, quote, based on image count and complexity. YouTube thumbnail services charge per video or monthly packages. Individual thumbnails, €15 to €25 each. Monthly packages for active creators, €200 to €500 for unlimited thumbnails. Etsy personalized portraits range from €30 to €150, depending on style complexity and print options. Digital delivery keeps costs low. Add physical prints for higher margins. E-commerce catalog work is project-based. Quote by product count and variation needs. Typical range, €500 to €2,000 for complete catalog refresh. Educational content packages sell for €25 to €100 per pack. Higher value for specialized niches like medical diagrams or technical illustrations. Here's your action plan to start earning within 24 hours. Step 1. Choose your niche. Don't try to do everything. Pick one: professional portraits, pet personalization, e-commerce products, or YouTube thumbnails. Step 2. Create your 3 style presets. Give them concrete names. Test them on 5 different images. Document the exact prompts that work. This becomes your signature style that clients can recognize. Step 3. Build your portfolio. Use your own photos, friends' photos with permission, or royalty-free images. Create 5 strong before and after examples. Show transformation and consistency. Quality over quantity here. Step 4. Launch your first gig. Write a clear service description. Set realistic delivery times. Include what's covered and what's extra. Start with competitive pricing to build reviews, then raise rates as demand grows. Step 5. Use the prompt library as your foundation. Adapt these templates to each client's needs. Don't reinvent the wheel every time. Speed and consistency are your competitive advantages. The beauty of Nano Banana is the low barrier to entry. No expensive software, no powerful hardware needed. Just internet access and a Google account. The tool runs in your browser using Google's cloud infrastructure. But here's what most people miss. Tools are just tools. Success comes from systems. Save every prompt that works. Track your most profitable services. Build relationships with repeat clients. Scale what works, drop what doesn't. Start small. Perfect your process. Then scale fast. The consistency feature of Nano Banana means you can handle volume without quality dropping. That's where real money gets made. Let me be completely honest about the challenges you'll face. This isn't a magic money button. Early clients will pay less until you build reputation. The first month might bring in a few $100s, not thousands. Competition is coming fast as more people discover this tool. Platform dependency is real. Google could change pricing, add restrictions, or modify features. Build your skills, but don't put all eggs in the Nano Banana basket. Learn complementary tools. Develop relationships that transcend any single platform. Quality control matters. AI-generated content still needs human oversight. Check every detail before delivery. One bad review can tank your reputation faster than 10 good ones can build it. Legal considerations are evolving. Always use photos you have rights to. Inform clients about AI assistance. Some platforms have specific AI disclosure requirements. Stay informed about changing policies. The real opportunity isn't just in using this tool, it's in moving fast while others are still figuring it out. 6 months from now, everyone will know about this. Today, you have a head start. But here's the thing, you need the right prompts to make this work. That's why I'm giving you the exact 6 prompts that generated these results. Completely free in the description below. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Grab those prompts, test one strategy this week, and start building your AI business while you still have the advantage. The tools exist, the market is ready. Now it's your move. The choice is yours.